Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Microwaves do have some downsides. For example, they may not be as effective as other cooking methods at killing bacteria and other pathogens that may lead to food poisoning. That's because the heat tends to be lower and the cooking time much shorter. Sometimes, food heats unevenly. 15 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
The main advantage of using a microwave oven is that it takes less time to heat food, which is suitable for our busy lives. The disadvantage of a microwave oven according to the studies is microwave radiation leakage when the oven gets damaged.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The safest countertop microwaves of 2021. Best microwave for big families, Panasonic NNSN 966S stainless steel microwave. Best microwave for midsize families and couples, Panasonic NNSU 696S stainless steel microwave. Best microwave for singles, dorm rooms, and small spaces, Panasonic NNSD 372S stainless steel microwave, the 6th of January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Boiling water in the microwave is convenient and safe. The method is best used when heating small quantities of water, as microwaves can distribute heat unevenly. According to current research, no negative health effects are associated with boiling water in the microwave. 6 November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Though it's always a good idea to cover food when reheating it in the microwave, otherwise that cleaning schedule will be on overdrive, microwaving food in an airtight container is a no-no. Or worse, if the container is full of liquid, it can explode. 20 March 2019.
Take our lead.
First, consider using microwaves to reheat, rather than cook, food, as it may cook unevenly. Food must be heated until it is 82 C, 176 F, throughout to kill any harmful bacteria, and because bacteria can still grow each time food cools back down, you shouldn't reheat a meal more than once. 15 July 2020.
Take our lead.
Using the microwave with a small amount of water essentially steams food from the inside out. That keeps in more vitamins and minerals than almost any other cooking method and shows microwave food can indeed be healthy. 6 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can heat food safely in a microwave, but if you are not an enthusiastic home baker, all you need is the microwave oven. If you want to bake cakes and cookies, OTG is your best bet. But if you buy the OTG, you need not buy a toaster and a grill. That saves you some money right away.
Let's help you make your mark.
Discover quick and convenient microwave alternatives that employ natural ways for reheating leftover food or defrosting meat without losing out on the food nutrients. Ovens, stovetops, crockpots, toaster ovens, Dutch ovens.
Let's help you make your mark.
There's nothing about microwaves that damages food more than other cooking methods. In fact, microwaving can actually preserve nutrients. Boiling vegetables tends to leach out the soluble vitamins into the cooking water, and ovens expose food to much longer cooking times and higher temperatures.
Take our lead.
Since microwave ovens often use less heat than conventional methods and involve shorter cooking times, they generally have the least destructive effects. The most heat-sensitive nutrients are water-soluble vitamins, like folic acid and vitamins B and C, which are common in vegetables. 17 October 2006.
Take our lead.
The higher the frequency of the radiation, the more damage it is likely to cause to the body. Microwaves cause internal heating of body tissues. Infrared radiation is felt as heat and causes skin to burn.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.